I was just trying to find out why this over 15-year-old car still costs about 4.5 million naira in Nigeria. This car you see is the highest non-living citizen of Nigeria. Trust me, there are a lot of other cars that 4.5 million naira can buy, but this car is just really expensive. But I'm not here today for comparisons. After you buy this car for about 4.5 to 4.7 million naira, how much does it take to own a Corolla in Nigeria? What is the true cost of the 2002 to 2005 Toyota Corolla in Nigeria? My name is Crank. Let's get into it. Say you're driving your Corolla under Ojo-Elegba Bridge and the downfall driver yanks off your side mirror. Before you go and fight with him, know that you are going to spend 15k to replace it. The Corolla side mirror often breaks because it is not foldable, but this one can fold because the owner bought a foldable type. So if you want the foldable type, you're going to spend 20,000 naira for Corolla side mirrors. The front bumpers of this our Nigerian Citizen cost 60,000 naira, but that's for the Folocom. Folocom is the fiberglass one, the one that's the original one. But then there's another type, the plastic one or rubber, as you may put it. That one costs 35,000 naira. While the rear bumper costs 45,000 naira. Sorry, I have to take this call. Hello, Chibuzo. They don't break your lights. Front or back? Both. Sorry. The front lights now 45,000 naira and the back lights now 30,000 naira. Front 45,000, back 30,000 naira. Don't forget to add my workmanship. You're welcome. The wiper blades on the Corolla cost just 1,500 naira. I know rain always falling these days, so always change this thing every 3 months. Let's say you're driving through one rough area and the area boys around there, they are trying to display, then they mistakenly smash your windscreen. Please don't wait, just go, because this thing will cost you 60,000 naira to replace. The Corolla uses size 15 tires, and to be very honest, nobody buys brand new tires on their Corolla. The Tokumbo tire on this Corolla is going to cost you 12,000 naira. 12 times 4, 48,000 naira. But yes, let's say you have money and you want to buy brand new tires on the Corolla. With 30,000 naira, you will get 4 brand new tires. Now, if you know anybody that has the Corolla, I'm thinking of a good birthday gift for them. With 120,000 naira, you are buying somebody brand new tires, 4. You're going to make them very happy. The brake pads on the Corolla cost 10,000 naira for the front. Like a pair of brake pads for the Corolla is 10,000 naira, while the rear brake shoe costs 12,000 naira. The brake discs cost 20,000 naira. But then with 45,000 naira, you can buy a more genuine one. But the 20,000 naira one still works. Now, let us tackle a more pressing maintenance that you never ever plan for. In one of our recent videos, we spoke about the main problems with different car models. If you haven't watched it, yeah, that is it. Go and watch it now. In this video, we said that the Corolla has one major problem, and that is the fact that this car is a hot target for thieves, for car thieves. You would wake up tomorrow morning and your brain box is no longer there. The brain box is somewhere. This brain box is 80,000 naira to replace. Also, they will steal your window controller. The main window controller is 30,000 naira, while this one's cost about 10,000 naira each. So 30,000 naira for your window controller. And to access your car, to steal all these things, they always break this window. To replace this window, 7,000 naira. So every time a thief comes to your Corolla, they are dashing away with 120,000 naira. That's crazy. Now, there's a high probability that the brain box you're going to buy in the market is for you or for your neighbor. Do you know why people say this car is strong? It is not the body. This car doesn't have power. It is because the suspension is very, very rugged. With this car, you tackle bad roads. You'll be hearing sounds that this suspension is bad, but the Corolla keeps going. And that's why people say it's strong, because they know that when they buy it, they don't need to change that suspension, because it will not spoil, it will not give up on the road. But if eventually it gives up, what is the cost? This is a shock absorber. The shock absorber for the Corolla, original KYB shock absorber, costs 130,000 naira for the 4. But you won't just need shock absorbers, you will need shock absorber pad for the front. And a pair of shock absorber pad costs 15,000 naira. This is what holds your shock in place with the body. That's all. Now, there's the ball joint. The ball joint is the culprit in Hondas that makes it have the K-leg. In the Corolla, that thing costs 15,000 naira to change a pair of ball joints. I don't know why you leave it to be making noise. It's just 15,000 naira. Now let us go under the hood. Sorry, under the bonnet. Let's say your Corolla overheats and your radiator is bad. A new radiator will cost you 30,000 naira. Just 30,000 naira. You notice that nothing I've said on this car is 1 million. If you are driving a Toyota and you're spending 1 million naira, it means you are driving a Prado. Why? Because this engine, the most expensive part of this car, is 800,000 naira. New engine on this car is 800,000 naira. It just became 800,000 recently because dollar has gone up. So yeah, that's all. Now to fuel this car weekly, full tank on this car is 34,000 naira. And if you drive averagely to work and back every day, that petrol will take you for 2 weeks. Yes, take for 2 weeks. Why do you think there are a lot of Corollas on the road? That's why now. 34k full tank, 2 weeks. They are good. In a month, you are spending 60k. And some people are spending 60k per week in their cars. They play. Now you know the true cost of owning a 2002 to 2005 Toyota Corolla. But I didn't mention all the parts because I want you to go into the comments and tell me how much you bought that Corolla parts. Let us know how much you spent on the Corolla parts. My name is Crank and this is 234 Drive. Remember, if you want to buy this car or any other car, send us an email 234drive@gmail.com. We are always happy to point you in the right direction. See you next time. Hey, my phone. Chibuzo is calling me. Hello? You don't send them. I don't see the alert. I don't see the alert. Make I go buy your lights now.